Are you looking for a CPU upgrade or replacement in Niagara Falls? Look no further than JTG Systems in Ontario. With their expertise and experience, they can provide you with the best service and prices in the area. Call them today at 905-892-4555 to get started on your upgrade or replacement. They will take care of everything, from the initial setup to the final configuration, so you don't have to worry about a thing. Upgrade or replace your CPU with JTG Systems in Niagara Falls and get the job done right.